Hello everybody, welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of Diecast cars. Today we have a really cool 2021 Hot Wheels to unbox. This is the Standard Kart from Mario Kart. And this one is the first appearance in the mainline, so it has no character inside the car. Usually it does on most of the non-mainline versions. But this is on the 2021 mainline Hot Wheels Screen Time Series number 8 of 10. You can see Mario there right on the packaging. It's a new for 2021 model, that's what it says. But they started coming out with the characters on them in the special packaging in 2019. Mario Kart, you can see that right there. It's on a USA card, 166 of 250 on 2021. GRX17 is the number, and it's from the M case for 2021. Standard Kart is born in 2020 El Segundo, California. Designer is Nintendo. The Standard Kart, with its emblazoned, M on the hood, stands out as one of the most iconic and instantly recognizable vehicles in the world of video racing games. Its balance of speed, acceleration, weight, handling, and traction give players everything they need to cross the finish line first. And all screen type cars are vehicles inspired by popular movies, TV shows, video games, and more. 2020 copyright, yes, I could recognize this right away. It's super iconic. There was only one of these at my Dollar General. Let's get it right open out of that packaging. Need to find another one so I can keep it in the packaging, but this packaging had a soft corner on it, so I can open it right up. Got some nice spinning wheels on it. Not sure what they're called. Probably should have looked up the wheel type before I even opened it up. But it's a cool casting. It's got some nice weight to it. There's your look at it. I'll hold it with one hand. It's got the yellow wheels. It's like a 4-slot wheel. And here is the iconic M right on the hood. You can see that right there. Super cool. Front of it. And Mario would sit right there. I used to collect a bunch of Mario plushes, but I don't collect them anymore, and I just want to sell them all now. I mean, I paid a good deal of money for them. I think... No, I don't know if that's plastic. Yeah, it looks like it's plastic to me. Alright, looking like the white and the base is metal. Not 100% sure on that, but I think most of this car is die-cast. And the blue base says Nintendo right there. Standard Kart. The 2020 Mattel copyright. Really loving the front wheels on it. Well, loving all the wheels on it, really, but the front wheels spin exceptionally well. And you can see the back of it there. Pipes. Steering wheel inside. Cool car to add to my collection. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.